So as you can see, all the inputs are labeled. The airflow, power and water sensor goes into the 4-pin DIN socket over there, LCD, relay and keypad. The earthing would already be connected once the controller arrives, and the power just connects in the front there. So once everything's plugged in and powered up, the display will light up, and if you press 1, it would basically start the fan relay, as you can see over there. And there we go. Now that's switched on. It would have switched on the rest of the services, lights and say gas if you've got that connected to your fume cabinet, power socket, and the fourth relay is the scrubber option if that is fitted to your fume cabinet. So if I press stop, it will take me into my post purge, which is normally 5 minutes with schools and 20 minutes with industrial. And I'll just start that up again. That is checking for airflow. That's where your airflow sensor would be connected with a pipette into the extractor duct, and it would be checking for airflow. So once it's running, you can turn on scrubber, and that would just open up the water solenoid and check for water going through on the water flow sensor. If you press it again, it will switch scrubber off. Emergency stop is basically just switching off services and sounding an alarm saying that there's a emergency. The alarm can be turned off with the reset, and system will go back into idle. If mains power should drop to the system, it would come up with a fault display. I'll just demonstrate by removing the power from the controller. So there it would say power failure, reset to stop. So the alarm can be turned off via the reset button, but the display will keep on showing the error until it has been restored. Once power is restored, it would go back into idle mode. Now the system can start up again. And there we go. So basically your input wire would just be these 3 wires, black being your common, white being your fan, which would go into the airflow sensor, and yellow being your water flow sensor. On the next video I will briefly explain how these are connected up.